In front of me is REALME Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Display over here. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. You can also go into Tab menu and click on this eye icon with a sun located on the right of brightness slider to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!